In this video we will be installing our Wunda temperature controlled pump set and manifold into our waterproof cabinet. Be sure to consult the system layout drawing and locate the manifold position. Fit the cabinet, manifold and pump set before laying the floor heating system. This will give a good reference point when laying the floor heating pipe. First, unlock and lift off the door. Remove the self-tapping screws and spray curtain. Store safely to one side, ready to be refitted after final commissioning. Locate the mounting bars and fixings. Slide 2 of the fixing bolt heads into the mounting bars and slide the mounting bars into the lower and upper rails on the rear of the cabinet. Space the bars approximately the same distance as the manifold brackets. Offer the assembled manifold and pump set up to and onto the fixing bolts. Slide on the washers and hand tighten the nuts. Position the manifold towards the top of the cabinet. Allow enough room to access the flow gauges. Give all fixings a final tighten with a suitable spanner. Position manifold horizontally so that the flow and return isolation valves sit directly above the rubber access boots in the base of the cabinet.